A little information video for any people out there who have got or are thinking of buying an RD128. That's one of these, 24 spline air locker from ARB, latest version. And it has a couple of Achilles heels. One is the copper pipe that goes over the top of the crown wheel, but this video is about the major one. This is a two-part unit. There's a flange that sits on the bottom, and then there's this sort of top hat assembly, or in this case, not top hat assembly. This has sheared off completely, leaving the ring there where it shouldn't be, completely and utterly erect. It's also smashed all the gears up inside because all the bits got in. It's also damaged the crown wheel and the pinion, and really you want to put it in a peg casing. In fact, we will not sell an RD128 that isn't pegged, because this is what happens. And this is a complete write-off, because that bit alone is hovering on something like £150 plus VAT, plus 3 months to get it, and a set of gears is £400. So that is a big pile of scrap. So if you've got an RD128, consider putting it in a peg casing, because otherwise you could have a very expensive bill. When all this lets go, all the bits that are between this and that let go and go in there wreak absolute havoc. As an example, this is the thrust washer that I took out of it. I've given it a wipe over, but you can see the amount of damage, because this is happening at speed. So even if you push the clutch in, take the half shafts out, pretty much the damage is done. There you go, RD128, put it in a peg casing. You will rarely find, if ever, us selling one of these that isn't in a peg casing, because of that very reason. Toodles.